Good morning, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2015 Ram 1500. This one here, as you can see, is deep cherry red in color. This one's a V6 engine in it, believe it or not. This thing has 17-inch alloy wheels, four-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. You won't find something like this anywhere else. This is a quad cab model. As you can see, it has body side steps. It's got gray cloth interior. This car only has 63,444 miles on it. AM/FM Sirius satellite radio. It's seating for 6. It even has a tonneau cover in the back. It's got the chrome bumpers. It's the SLT model. It has the wiring for towing a boat, 4 and 7 prong connector. It's even got the coolers for transmission and oil. Folks, you're only going to find this truck at Firkins during Ram Power Days. You got to call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins.